Do you dream of speaking English like a native? Imagine speaking confidently, fluently, and naturally. Today, I will reveal the only way to truly become fluent. Hello, everyone. I am Leo Darren, and welcome to Leo English Channel. Today, I will show you the only way to become fluent in English. Many learners try many methods, but few succeed. Fluency is not about knowing many words or grammar rules. It's about using English naturally every day. I will show you my exact steps. Step 1. Speak every day. Fluency comes from practice, not theory. I spoke English every day. Even if it was only 5 to 10 minutes, I made a habit. For example, "Good morning, how are you? I am going to the market today." Consistency is more important than long hours. Step 2. Think in English. Stop translating from your language. I practiced thinking directly in English. For example, when I saw a cat, I thought, "The cat is sleeping." Thinking in English makes speech faster and natural. Step 3. Learn phrases and chunks, not single words. I learned useful phrases instead of single words. For example, "How are you doing?" "I don't understand." "Can you help me?" Using phrases helps you speak fluently without hesitation. Step 4. Listen actively. I listened to native speakers, podcasts, movies, and YouTube videos. I focused on pronunciation, stress and intonation, common expressions. Listening improves understanding and speaking naturally. Step 5. Shadowing. I repeated sentences exactly like native speakers. This is called shadowing. For example, native, "I am going to the market." Me, "I am going to the market." Shadowing improves pronunciation, rhythm, and fluency. Step 6. Speak with others. I spoke with friends, teachers, or online partners. Speaking regularly builds confidence. Mistakes are normal and part of learning. Step 7. Don't fear mistakes. At first, I said, "I goed to school," instead of "I went to school." I learned that mistakes are lessons. Fluency comes from speaking, not being perfect. Step 9. Expand vocabulary naturally. I learned new words through context, not memorization. For example, movie, "I am tired." Word, tired. Story, "She is excited." Word, excited. Learning words in context makes them easy to recall in conversation. Step 9. Learn collocations. Words appear in combinations. For example, make a decision, take a break, have fun. Collocations make speaking more natural. Step 10. Practice thinking in full sentences. I avoided one-word answers. I practiced full sentences. What do you like? I like playing football with my friends on weekends. Speaking in full sentences improves fluency. Step 11. Record yourself. I recorded my voice and listened to mistakes. Then I practiced again, slowly improving pronunciation and fluency. Step 12. Watch and repeat dialogues. I watched short dialogues from movies or series. I repeated lines aloud until they felt natural. Step 13. Learn phrasal verbs and idioms. Fluent speakers use phrasal verbs and idioms often. I wrote them down and practiced using them in conversation. Examples: give up means stop trying. Look after means take care of. Break down means stop working. Step 14. Read aloud. I read books, articles, and dialogues aloud. Reading aloud trains pronunciation and confidence. Step 15. Speak about your day. Every day I spoke about my daily activities. I woke up at 7 a.m. I had breakfast. I went to school by bus. Daily speaking strengthens practical fluency. Step 16. Focus on fluency, not grammar. At first, I tried to be perfect. Now, I focus on speaking naturally. Grammar improves slowly through practice. Step 17. Use English in different situations. I spoke in English at home, with friends, online, or even thinking aloud. Different situations strengthen fluency. Step 18. Learn to paraphrase. When I forget a word, I use another word or explanation. For example, forget tired, say, I don't have energy. Paraphrasing keeps conversation flowing. Step 19. Practice listening and speaking together. I listen to podcasts and repeated sentences aloud. This improves both listening and speaking fluency. Step 20. Be patient and consistent. Fluency takes time. I practiced every day, even small steps. Slowly, speaking became natural and confident. Step 21. Use technology. Apps, online courses, and YouTube videos helped me practice speaking, listening, and vocabulary daily. Step 22. Join speaking groups. I joined groups online or locally where learners practice together. This builds confidence and reduces fear. Step 23. Enjoy the process. Finally, I enjoyed speaking English, making mistakes, and celebrating small wins. Enjoyment is the secret to learning quickly. Remember, the only way to become fluent in English is speaking every day, thinking in English, listening actively, practicing consistently, and enjoying the process. Start small, use phrases, speak with others, and gradually English will flow naturally.